Today we're going to look at how to add birthdays or anniversaries or annually recurring events to your calendar so that you only have to put them in place the first year. Since it's so close to December, I'm going to add my son Matthew's birthday, which is December 7th. So I'm going to click on the calendar, and then when I get to my pop-up that has the option to add class, birthdays, which also covers holidays, anniversaries, vacations, or everything else, I'm going to choose birthdays. I'm going to give this the title of Matthew's birthday. I can leave it without any category and it will just show up that way, or I can add a category, which I'm going to do today, called family events. And you may want to have family birthdays, friend birthdays. You can make it as wide or as narrow as works for you. Then it's going to default to every year on the 7th because that's the day I started adding. If you want, you can go in and select a particular day. Obviously, you're not going to have a birthday every weekday. And then I'm going to set this to have no end date because his birthday will come every year. I'm also not going to add a time. I have a friend, though, who puts all birthdays at 5 a.m. because she wants it noted at the time, and then sometimes she puts in do something special. So you can soup this up, if you will, as much as you want, or you can just leave it simple. Matthew's birthday, every year on December 7th, no particular notes or assignments. I'm going to hit save and close, and there we see this nice little blue box right here, and it will appear there every year. That is really all there is to it. Have a great day. Let us know if there's anything we can help you with. Thanks for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.